Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
And it looks like I found another bolt sitting there and another one laying down. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on this screen. So I think it's a good thing that this is going to and that's down below the kick shaft. And that's not the one I've got hanging at the bottom. So there's two, that's three. So I'm thinking it's got to be from the half round retainer that sits back here somewhere, which it feels like something there is loose, but very interesting. Okay, now the endoscope has shown two more bolts loose of the same thing, so I am pretty certain it is the half moon cover. I will insert a picture if I can, and I'll also show the endoscope footage if I can insert that as well.